What is up, y'all? Especially my Dixon and Cheatham County folks. How y'all doing, baby? Hope y'all had a great weekend. For all y'all that are out there that are able to vote, listen, don't cut it off. Don't do it. Don't fucking freaking do it. So as a lot of y'all know, we're all about to start voting for our district's Tennessee representative. As a lot of y'all already know, my guy that I'm voting for is John Luallen. Now, hold on. Now, look, hold on before you make a damn meme about me or something. Upchurch supports transnational senators. You ain't heard that? No, it's true. You know, back in 2009, Upchurch had spiky metallic purple hair because he wanted to be with a fishnet shirt and an EDM pop band. You know that? First off, I want to say good luck to all sides that have entered this race to be this district's Tennessee representative. Okay? I know some of our town is for Perry Keegan. I know some of them is for John Luallen. The reason I'm voting for John Luallen and the reason that I'm rooting for John Luallen is because what I've seen with my own eyes. I've seen how caring the guy is. And I mean like actually caring. Like when we had that big car show and it was hot as balls outside. First off, he stayed the entire time and sweated his balls off with us. He didn't pull a diva thing on everybody and be like, oh, well, I'll be right back. I got to go to a meeting and just never come back. No, he stayed there the entire time. He made sure my wife had snacks. He made sure my kid had snacks. He passed out water to people that was in the meet and greet line, especially the people that had kids. He made sure they were hydrated. And like I said, he stayed the entire time. He made sure we got back home safe and all sort of stuff. It's not about me. It's more about community. This dude actually really cares about the community. He was also really open about what he's seen at the car show. He's like, bro, what you've built between you and your people is like amazing. And it was built off of $0. It was built off of you talking to your people and you upholding your word to your people. And not a lot of people do talk to me about my career, but never do people talk to me about what I've created with my fans, nor do they even think to ask about something like that. Personally, for me, like him even mentioning that, something that nobody really ever mentions when they're talking to me about my career or whatever, it let me know a little bit about his character. And like I said, no shade towards anybody else running in this race for Tennessee representative of our district, but it's really reassuring when I'm talking to this guy and he understands that he has to be on the same level as the community, and he wants to know what the community wants. He wants to know what the community issues are. He wants to know how he can better the community as a whole. That really made me want to vote for the guy. Obviously, I'm a very community-driven person. I've built a huge community that's all over the United States. Germany, we had some people from Germany come to the car show this past weekend. People from other states, other countries. So, you know, when I see somebody else that takes pride in being on ground level and actually learning what their community wants, for sure, and being out there and standing around for 6 hours in the blistering ass hot, it makes me want to vote for that guy because I believe what that guy says. I really do believe what John Luallen says. And once again, like, I know it's all fun and games and everybody makes all the memes and all this other shit, but it also really makes me feel good that he didn't get into the whole like meme thing. This whole like campaign. He didn't make any memes about anybody or nothing like that. He didn't do the whole thing where you send a paper in the mail or you get these pieces of paper supposed to like scare you into not voting for the opponent. Being like, oh, you better watch out for that. He didn't do any of that. That lets me know that guy is about the fucking business, and he's got his nose in the business and he's got his nose in the community, and he don't have it in spending time on putting memes in your mailbox. Once again, no shade to anybody else. I don't have a problem with either side. It's just, I'm telling you why I wanted to vote for this guy, why I'm going to vote for this guy, and why I encourage everybody else to vote for this guy, because this dude's about the business, bro. If you elect this dude, you will actually see, I believe you'll actually see the change that you've been asking for in our community. And right now, with the world that we live in, and we all seen the news, there's mass fraud everywhere, voter fraud, tax fraud, all kind of fraud. This dude has a background in actually busting fraud rings and busting people who are doing like mass fraud. Not only that, Metro Davidson Police Department have been on top of it when it comes to busting trafficking rings, when it comes to arresting muggers that are transporting a ton of fentanyl and all this other shit. His son is a Metro police officer. That's another good thing. So you got somebody who busts fraud that used to be a cop. His son is a cop in Metro. Metro's doing what it's doing right now. We have this mass cleanup going on around here. And I'm a person that sees the whole puzzle, not just one puzzle piece. John Luallen is a puzzle piece that could help the rest of the puzzle complete the bigger picture for everybody. I truly believe that. And my people who follow me forever, they know what it looks like when I'm bullshit, and they know what it looks like when I ain't bullshit. And right now, I'm not bullshit. So I will be out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, turn into a damn journalist because I'm curious myself. I want to talk to the people in the community, and I want to film, those of you that'll let me film, I want to ask a few questions about our community, about Cheatham, and about Dixon, and about Tennessee in general. And I want to know what you think, because the guy that I'm voting for wants to know what you think also about the questions I'm going to be asking. And a lot of people say that your voice don't matter. Your voice does matter. That's one of the things that John talked to me a lot about, that he stressed the most. He's like, dude, people think their voice don't matter, and it does. And I'm telling you right now, if you do vote for John Luallen, he'll prove that your voice actually does matter. Because this dude wants to do what the community wants. Once again, it's about us. We're the people that make this country what it is. All we got to do is elect leaders that will take our voice to as high as it can go, so people in our government hear us. I'm telling you, this is the guy. All y'all out there in Cheatham and Dixon, I will be roaming around the polls. I will be a journalist for the first time in my life instead of a crazy YouTuber and instead of a singer. And I am going to be asking questions. And I want to know the change you guys want. And I want to know what's bad. What do y'all think is bad about our town? What do you think is good about our town? What do you think needs to change? What do you think could make it better? Your ideas on what it is. And I want to know everything. I want to ask the questions to know what the actual town thinks, because I really think we're about to get a guy that is going to take what all of us are saying into consideration. Plus, I think we need some John Luallen and Tim Burchett videos. Dadgummit. Dude, I would love to see multiple Tennessee representatives hunting down the same shit. Tim Burchett's like, show her them aliens. And then John comes up behind him. He's like, where are the aliens at, buddy? I don't think you have any. But anyway, good night, y'all. Cheatham, Dixon, love all y'all love all you folks. And I'll see all y'all out there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'll be roaming around with my camera, my fat ass, my skinny jeans, my damn boots on. Yeah, I'm a dad now. I got titties. What about it? You got something to say? Don't care. Dude, shout out to all y'all in Missouri. I hope y'all are all right. I didn't know it was flooding like that. This Tyler Robinson case is the most boring, stupid shit I've ever seen. We're just watching people sit around and go, and Thursday was Thursday of Thursday. Maybe I ain't looked enough into it yet. I'm just trying to figure out what is going on. Because ain't that the guy that was like on the roof that shot Charlie Kirk, right? Ain't that it? Okay, then why the fuck is he like dressed up and looking around where everybody's like Thursday of Thursday of Thursday?